Windows are an essential part of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and a connection to the outdoors. Keeping your windows clean and well maintained is crucial for both aesthetic and functional purposes. In Meridian, where dust, seasonal pollen, and changing weather conditions can impact your windows, a little care can go a long way. This guide will help you understand the best practices for maintaining and cleaning your windows to ensure they stay sparkling and efficient year-round. Why window maintenance matters. Well-maintained windows enhance your home's curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and extend the life of the windows themselves. In Meridian's climate, with its mix of sunny days and winter chills, windows are often exposed to environmental wear. Proper maintenance helps to prevent damage. Dirt, dust, and debris can accumulate and scratch the glass or damage window frames. Improve energy efficiency. Seals and frames in good condition help keep your home comfortable and energy bills lower. Boost longevity. Regular upkeep can delay the need for costly replacements. Cleaning your windows. Step-by-step guide. Cleaning your windows might seem straightforward, but using the right tools and techniques makes all the difference. Follow these steps to achieve a streak-free shine. Gather your supplies. To get started, you'll need a bucket of warm water mixed with mild dish soap, a squeegee, a microfiber cloth or lint-free towel, a soft bristle brush or vacuum with a brush attachment, and a vinegar-water solution, equal parts. For stubborn spots, a ladder, if needed for higher windows. Prep your windows. Remove dust and debris. Before applying any liquid, use a brush or vacuum to clear away loose dirt from the window panes, sills, and frames. Inspect for damage. Look for cracks, chipped paint, or damaged seals. Addressing these issues early prevents further complications. Wash the glass. Apply cleaning solution. Use a sponge or microfiber cloth to gently apply soapy water or the vinegar solution to the glass. Squeegee technique. Starting at the top corner, drag the squeegee down in straight lines. Wipe the blade after each stroke to avoid streaks. Dry thoroughly. Use a lint-free cloth to wipe the edges and corners. Clean the frames and tracks. Frames. Use a damp cloth with soapy water to clean the frames. Wooden frames may need a specialized cleaner to protect their finish. Tracks. Use a vacuum or small brush to remove dirt and debris from tracks. For deeper cleaning, a toothbrush and soapy water can help scrub away grime. Polish the hardware. Clean and lubricate window locks, hinges, and other hardware with a non-abrasive cleaner. This prevents rust and ensures smooth operation. Seasonal maintenance tips for Meridian homeowners. Living in Meridian means adapting to the area's unique climate challenges. Here are seasonal tips to keep your windows in top shape. Spring clean pollen buildup from both the interior and exterior of your windows. Inspect for any damage caused by winter weather, such as cracked seals or warped frames. Summer. Remove any dust or dirt that accumulates during dry months. Check for signs of overheating or damage to vinyl or wooden frames from prolonged sun exposure. Fall clear debris like leaves from window tracks and sills. Apply weather stripping to ensure windows are sealed for the colder months. Keep interior windows dry to prevent condensation, which can lead to mold. Regularly check for drafts or icy buildup around the edges. Professional help. When to call in the expert. Some maintenance tasks require professional attention. If you notice any of the following issues, consider reaching out to a local window service in Meridian. Persistent fogging between panes, broken or cracked glass frames showing significant wear or water damage. Professional cleaners can also tackle hard-to-reach windows, leaving your home spotless without the hassle. Conclusion. Maintaining and cleaning your windows in Meridian doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools and techniques, you can ensure your windows stay clear, functional, and long-lasting. By following these steps and adapting to Meridian's seasonal conditions, your windows will continue to brighten your home and protect your investment for years to come. For deeper cleaning or repair needs, consider reaching out to trusted local professionals to keep your windows in perfect condition. A little care now saves time, money, and effort in the long run.